Hello, health seekers. Are you ready for a change? Do you dream of fitting into your favorite jeans again? We all want to feel amazing, and we want it to be easy. Well, get ready to say hello to the 7-Day Smoothie Diet. This exciting diet plan can help you transform your body in just 1 week. It's simple, it's fun, and it gets results. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start seeing a difference. Get ready to feel lighter, brighter, and full of energy. Ready to shed those extra pounds? The 7-Day Smoothie Diet is your secret weapon. This diet is designed to help you lose weight quickly and safely. How does it work? Smoothies replace some of your meals, reducing your calorie intake. But don't worry, you won't feel hungry. Our delicious smoothies are packed with nutrients to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, they're incredibly easy to make. Just blend and go. It's time to say goodbye to crash diets and hello to a slimmer, healthier you. Smoothies are more than just a pretty drink. They're nutritional powerhouses. Our 7-Day Smoothie Diet helps you load up on fruits and veggies. Get ready for a delicious dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients give your body the fuel it needs to thrive. You'll have more energy throughout the day. Plus, you'll be giving your body what it needs to stay healthy and strong. And let's not forget about hydration. Smoothies are a tasty way to up your water intake, keeping you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Get ready to transform your health and taste buds with our exciting plan. Our 7-Day Smoothie Diet is simple, effective, and incredibly delicious. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. For 7 days, you'll enjoy 2 mouth-watering smoothies a day, packed with vitamins and minerals. In addition to your smoothies, you'll also have 1 healthy, balanced meal each day, ensuring you stay satisfied and energized. This plan ensures you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs while still cutting calories. And the best part? There's a wide variety of smoothie recipes to choose from. Whether you crave something sweet or something green, we've got you covered. From tropical fruit blends to green powerhouses, you'll never get bored with the endless options available. We've got something for every taste bud. Each recipe is crafted to be both nutritious and delicious. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey to a healthier you. Start your 7-day smoothie adventure today and feel the difference. Section 5. Become a smoothie superstar. Creating the perfect smoothie is easy and fun. Start with a base of leafy greens like spinach or kale. These greens are packed with essential nutrients and add a great foundation to your smoothie. Then add in your favorite fruits, berries, bananas, mangoes. The possibilities are endless. Fruits not only add natural sweetness, but also provide a burst of vitamins and antioxidants. For extra creaminess, add half an avocado or a spoonful of nut butter. These ingredients give your smoothie a rich, velvety texture. Boost the protein power with Greek yogurt, protein powder, or chia seeds. This will keep you full and energized throughout the day. Finally, blend everything with water or unsweetened almond milk for a refreshing and satisfying treat. You can also experiment with other liquids like coconut water or oat milk for different flavors. Pro tip: prepare your smoothie ingredients in advance for quick and easy blending on busy mornings. Prepping ahead saves time and ensures you always have a healthy option ready to go. Section 6. Your smoothie success starts today. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed and energized, ready to take on the day with a delicious smoothie in hand. Ready to kickstart your weight loss journey and feel amazing? With the right ingredients and a positive mindset, you can achieve your health goals faster than you ever thought possible. Our smoothie diet plan is here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're a beginner or a smoothie enthusiast, our plan is designed to be simple and effective. This comprehensive plan includes everything you need to succeed: delicious recipes, easy-to-follow shopping lists, and helpful meal plans. You'll never have to wonder what to make next. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonus content, including tips for staying motivated and overcoming weight loss plateaus. These insights are designed to keep you on track and inspired. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from countless individuals who have transformed their bodies and lives with the help of our smoothie diet. Countless individuals have transformed their bodies and lives with the help of our smoothie diet. From losing weight to gaining energy, the benefits are endless. Join our community of success stories and start your journey today. Connect with others who share your goals and celebrate your achievements together. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history. They can help you determine if it's the right fit for your individual needs and health goals. Your health and safety are our top priorities. So, what are you waiting for? The journey to a healthier you begins with a single step, or in this case, a single smoothie. Grab your blender, stock up on fresh ingredients, and get ready to experience the incredible benefits of the 7-day smoothie diet. It's more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change. Your healthier, happier self awaits. Embrace the change and enjoy the journey to a better you.